Okay. Okay then. Good evening, friends, once again. And today we are stepping into the 21st day of our class. And we will be starting off with our sessions on 21st day. Yesterday, what we did is we had listened to few stories, like what our friends narrated yesterday in a very beautiful way. Yesterday, we heard Surekha ma'am, Anita ma'am, Upendram sir, then Narasimha Swami sir, and Vijaya Singham. And yes, we heard around 6 people speak, isn't it? So today we will pass on the chance to others so that they'll also get an opportunity to share their story and share their knowledge with us. And we will move on to assessment part 2. Are you all ready? Ready for it? Show me a thumbs up if you are ready. Well done. Well done. All right. Well done, Pragati Kumari. Yes, you have registered 2 communication skills. Don't worry, your name is there. Okay, Pragati? Fine. Okay, so moving ahead with our 21st day of classes, we will again select few people. So be ready with your stories. Show me your stories. Have you all kept it ready? Yeah, you have to read it out. Very good. Jayanti, Pujita, then Tulsi, Shalini, Rajeshwari Devi. Okay, Ranjana. What's my lucky number today? What's my lucky alphabet today? I want to pick up my lucky alphabets. Anil Kumar sir, so finally you got your serial number. I am relieved. I am happy. Okay, good. Pulibelli Jyoti, Aruna Jyoti, TV Ratna, Shakuntala, Padmaja, Srinu sir, Lakshmi Devi, well, Sheshadri, Neeraja, Krishnaveni, fine. You all have your stories ready. I'm going to pick up just like that so that you can start telling me your stories. Hari Krishna sir, are you there? Krishna Palla sir, are you ready with the story? No? Why? What happened? No, ma'am, I don't want to tell my story. Is it so? Shravani garu, ready unnara? Yeah? Okay. Vijay sir, Gudati Vijay, what is it? Full name? Bhaskar. Okay. Anusha, Saujanya, Kala Lakshita. Okay. Pragati Kumari, are you ready with the story? If I ask you to? Okay. So let's move on to our 21st day of public assessment. Gangamani, ready ga unnara? Adugocha? Chaptara story? That's the spirit. Well done. Well done. Okay. Yes, let me clarify because we've been having many questions about this communication skills workshop. So let me just clarify once again today. I am going to tell you the details. Venu sir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Please tell me, ma'am.
Okay, when I'm able to do, speaker view also, is it okay for recording? Do you have any idea? Like I'm in speaker view, is that okay?
Ma'am, put it both ways, ma'am. For backup, if we do two ways, no problem for us.
What 2 ways?
One is cloud is there, cloud recording is there.
Yeah, that
Another
I'm
one is
doing.
your.
No, it's anyways
Then,
getting
then,
recorded on
then what?
cloud, but the view I am asking, should it be speaker view or should it be grid view? Yesterday I was not very happy. It was getting streamed. Okay, fine. Now it is in speaker view. Yes, it was in gallery view yesterday. But still I'm not able to, that speaker view is not coming in full screen. Anybody has any idea?
I have given host to you, ma'am. Everything will be
I
there.
know, I know. I am the host. Okay. Okay, fine. All right. Um, okay, so let me clarify. Yeah, somebody said spotlight. Where is that? Just give me a second, friends.
Yeah, ma'am. Spotlight is very good. Go through the Spotlight.
Where should I find that Spotlight?
In meeting settings, you will find, ma'am.
No, here it is not there.
Okay, ma'am. Let it be. Whatever you want, you can. No problem. Because it is recording, no?
Yeah, correct. But view is not right. Like, though I have made you the co-host, why am I not coming in the speaker view? Yes, Manikantan sir, I am able to see that on screen and I have changed it into speaker view only. Speaker view, I have changed it. Anything else should I do?
No, ma'am. I'm not getting Spotlight is in participants.
Participants. Where is it in participants?
Same button, ma'am. Same button. When it is speaker view, no? Same button. There is another click. If you give another click, it will come.
No, it's not there. I want to understand. That's what my video will not come in speaker view. And I don't want that to become a problem. So I just want to figure out what is the correct way. If anybody knows, right side 3 dots will be there. Video of participants. Okay, I think you can unmute and talk. Varalakshmi ma'am. Okay, pin my video. Yes. Now it's coming. Yeah. Now it's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Yeah. All right. Okay. Now it's fine. Thank you. Thank you, Varalakshmi ma'am. Well, I think the recording can be taken from here. Well, to clarify about the communication skills workshop, it is going to be on November 1st. That is this Sunday. Okay. This Sunday, November 1st, from 5 p.m. in the evening to 8 p.m. in the evening. 5 to 8 p.m., which is for 3 hours. I have combined 3 days and made it one day, 3 hours, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. on Sunday evening, November 1st. You will have your communication skills workshop. Yes, it is just for 3 hours. Many people have been asking, ma'am, how many weeks, how many days and all that. It is for 3 hours. On one day, this session is there. And during that session, I will give you details about the other courses which I'm conducting, about self, about the spoken English classes. I will give you details in that course. Okay, that one thing is clear. And let me also tell you that it is for the first 100 participants. It is on November 1st. Okay, now for the next 100 participants, it will be on another weekend, maybe the last weekend of November. Okay, the last Sunday of November, the next 100 participants will have their workshop. So we are dividing first come first serve basis. The first 100 will have on November 1st. The next 100 will be having another weekend in November itself, the last Sunday of November. Same 3 hours, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, and please download the Telegram app, all of you, because we will be putting everybody into one group and we will be sending the link over there. So please download the Telegram app so that you can all be sent the details of the course over there. All right, will you all do that? Okay, download the Telegram app so that we can add you into it. Okay, now coming to our class, today we will start off by picking home. Who is the lucky person for me today? Rajeshwari Devi will be my first lucky person. Okay, yeah, you want to go ahead? Fine. I think you can mute yourself and speak. Yeah? Okay. Please go ahead. You're not able to mute? Okay. I think now you can try. Tulsi ma'am, you can try now.
Ask her, please raise her hand.
Yeah, please. Yeah, please raise your hand. Then Velu sir will be able to unmute. Tulsi ma'am? Are you able to do it, sir?
Yeah, ma'am. Tulsi ma'am, you can. Advelu Tulsi, already.
I think she can speak now. Are you able to hear me, ma'am?
No, ma'am. She is not coming.
No, sorry, not Tulsi ma'am. It's Rajeshwari Devi. No, I selected.
Oh my God.
Yeah, Rajeshwari Devi. We will come to Tulsi ma'am later on. Rajeshwari Devi, please raise your hand. Yeah, she's raised her hand. So it will be easy for you to unmute.
Please go ahead, Rajeshri ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening.
I am Rajeshwari. Firstly, I would like to thank my Guruji Gampa Nageshwarao garu and my lovely ma'am Shilpa ma'am
Thank
and our Impact family. I want to speak in English fluently with my child and her school faculty, but I didn't speak in front of others. Then I watched many YouTube channels and downloaded. In the videos, they told grammar only. I learned that, but I didn't speak. Then I decided to apply MA English. When I applied it, then I scared. Can I complete this course? Mainly I scared about literature. And then luckily I got a golden opportunity from Gampa sir. That was Shilpa ma'am's spoken English classes in 21 days session in Telegram. I joined the Telegram group. Before I joined this group, I had a lot of fear and lack of confidence. When I attend the first day, I listen Shilpa ma'am's first class. Then I wondered. She told, bring 5 words and convert into sentences daily and read newspaper. And ma'am are awesome. Ma'am tells us many important points. Those are face the fear and overcome it. Keep your mind positive. 3 pieces of success and in front of the mirror technique and audiobook. It is very useful to me, ma'am. Mostly, I like ma'am's LSRW technique. Those are listening, speaking, writing, and reading. I utilize rise and fall technique, speak loudly, and audiobook.
Okay.
Those are very useful for me, ma'am. I
Very
follow
good.
this technique. I follow this technique, and I got good rank in MA entrance test.
Wow.
I see ma'am's lovely and smiley face daily. Then I overcome my stress and fear also. I speak in English daily at my home. My child and hubby are surprising. My child told me, Amma, Now you are speaking well, so you will join my school as a teacher. I never forget those words in my life. Thank you,
Wow.
ma'am. Thank you.
Awesome.
Ma'am gives us assignments and positive mantras. Those are boosting our confidence levels. Now I am speaking and understand the news in English. Now I confident I can do everything. And in addition, yesterday our friends were explain their experiences. Those people were speak awesome, isn't it? Yes, everyone has new idea and new thoughts. I
Correct.
think I am very lucky to join this group. That's all, ma'am's magic. Wow, ma'am, you are simply superb, ma'am. Hats off to you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And finally, I increase my communication skills and overcome my fear, convert into power. I believe myself and heartfully thanks to Gampa sir and Shilpa ma'am and also our impact family, our admins Venu sir and Shalini ma'am and Manikantam sir, Bharat sir and our impact family also. Thank you ma'am. Thank you so much.
Wow,
Giving this
my
opportunity.
dear Rajeshwari Devi, what a wonderful presentation it was. Excellent, darling. Excellent. You did a beautiful job, especially forget about English speaking fluently. The confidence you exhibited in each and every word of yours. You were very calm, very patient, very confident while talking, and the correct expression, the correct diction. There was no mother tongue influence when you spoke. Very good. You have developed that neutral accent. I'm very happy for that. Yes, of course, we all have to immensely be thankful to Impact Foundation and Gampa sir. Today is such a beautiful day. Our dear Bharat sir's marriage, and he's entered into wedlock. That is such a beautiful moment in everybody's life. So let us congratulate him on behalf of our group. Let us wish him a very happy wedding day and wish him luck and success in future and prosperity. Lovely couple, lovely moments, and lovely family. So let us pray to God for their health and prosperity and success. And you reminded me that, see, you belong to this successful family. We all belong to this successful family of Impact Foundation. So you are walking towards success. You are in that path. And I'm so happy, Rajeshwari, you trusted in my class and you attended this very regularly. I am seeing your assignments. You're doing it with a lot of commitment. So thank you so much. You did a wonderful job. Well done. Well done. All right. So let us move on. And let me pick Srividya. Okay? All right, Srividya. Raise your hand so that Venu sir can unmute you and you can go ahead and speak. Okay, she has raised her hand. Bharat sir,
No, ma'am.
can you unmute?
Not raised. Srividya, not raised, ma'am.
Venu sir, she has raised her hand. I can see.
Giga Srividya, ma'am.
Correct.
Yes, unmuted. Please go ahead.
Happy evening, ma'am.
Happy evening, Srividya.
How are you today, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, very good. Very good to hear that.
Happy evening to everybody. First of all, thanks to Impact Foundation, Srigam, for giving this spoken English course at free of cost and teaching us spoken English. So I especially thanks to Sri Gampa Nageswara Garu, Shilpa Srinivas ma'am, Venugopal sir, Sharan Prasad ma'am, and Manikanta sir. Thank you everyone for giving this wonderful opportunity. My name is Iga Sri Vidya. I am native of Meppeli in Jaital district of Telangana. Before the joining this course, I was not all interested in speaking English because of fear. But after the joining this course, I have to become strong and fearless. I am able to speak English fluently and continuously, and I able to construct few sentences in English. A kind of interest developed in me to learn English. The assignments which are being given by Shilpa ma'am are very useful and helped me in improving very useful in my spoken language as well as body language. I am spending much time on learning the language. I have come to know the necessity of the English language, and also I came to know that how important it is for anyone to speak in English. 360 million people speak in English only. By joining this course, I am going to enter a new world. The positive mantras are created positive vibes. The first positive mantra is fear into power. I was impressed by this positive mantra. My favorite 5 positive mantras are I able to turn my fear into power. I started believing in myself. I am bringing out the good in me by overpowering the evil. I am confident about myself. I have decided to design my life colorful. Thank you. This about it.
So sweet, Srividya. Wonderful, darling. Excellent. Please give her a big round of applause. Why were you a little nervous? కొంచెం నర్వస్ అయిందా చెప్పేటప్పుడు కదా?
Yes. I am indebted to Shilpa ma'am and Gampa Nageswar Rao Garu for creating this wonderful platform to explore aspirants like me. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai
Thank
Bharat.
you. Thank you so much, dear. You did a wonderful presentation. See, in spite of the nervousness, you are able to speak. You did not stop. Kada?
Yes.
ఎందుకంటే మీరు స్క్రిప్ట్ రాసుకున్నారు. Isn't it? That is why I tell you, you write everything. Okay, you will get that practice. You can look at that and start speaking. Then you will not be nervous. You will not stop in between. You will not go blank. It will be helpful for you to come out of your hesitation. Isn't it? So always write it, practice, and then you can speak on your own. Very good, Srividya. You have followed
Thank
all
you,
the
ma'am.
steps and you are able to present all the positive mantras. Continue that. Okay?
Okay.
Once the course is finished, ऐसा मत करो कि course भी हो गया और मेरा positivity भी चला गया. Okay? So don't let go of that attitude. It has to stay with you. Okay? Well done, dear. Well done.
Today,
Keep up the
madam,
good work.
today, last day, but I am waiting for 20 days to talk to you. I am waiting so much.
Don't worry. Tomorrow again we are meeting. After that, we'll meet on 1st of November and you can continue your journey.
Okay, thank you,
Okay?
ma'am. Thank you
No
very much.
problem. And a very beautiful compilation of all the positive mantras you did. So talking about positive mantra, let us give the next chance to our positive mantra hero, Anil Kumar sir. Hello, Anil Kumar ji. Please raise your hand. I think Varalakshmi ma'am has been giving instructions how to raise your hand. So just go to this chart section and you'll be able to raise your hand and then Venu sir will unmute.
Not raised hand, ma'am, actually.
Anil Kumar sir.
Anil, sir, ask. Go ahead, sir.
Hello, ma'am. Hello,
Hello.
friends. Hello, friends. My name is Anil Kumar. Today, I am going to tell my journey at FEA, my 21 days journey, wh- which have been organized by Impact Foundation. In this short story, I will share my journey with Impact Foundation. I will also share my story about what changes what challenges I had been facing after joining, and challenges we are facing after, excuse me, ma'am. Sorry,
No problem.
there's problem on internet. In this short story, I am going to tell what challenges I was facing before this. Basically, I am CA student. Before this, I was doing a job at a company. There was my role. There was my role was to consider the clients and handle their accounts. My role was help to help to clients for their taxation also.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. What challenges was my facing at the workplace? That challenge was my English communication. My English communication was not good. I was feeling less confidence in my speaking, my writing. Whenever I do mail to the clients, and I feel I felt that client will laugh on me what I am writing on the mail. My confidence was getting low. Sometime my colleagues also make uh, fun of me. But I wanted to grow myself. I wanted to improve myself. So I decided to I decided to follow my dreams. My two dream was there was two dream. First was to complete my CA, and second was to improve my English skills, because by this English I can enhance, I can growth more in my life. Because in the absence of English, I was not able to deal with clients, to deal with customers, how to speak, how to give answers on mails. That's why I decided to join Impact Group. I want to introduce about Impact Group. Impact Group is providing uh, motivation skills and English course. There are various course to the students. Students there learns life skills, and also there was one video have remembered. I watched this was Guruji videos. In this video, sir mentioned that there was what is important for get employment. Why our brother, sister, and students not are able to get the not able to get the job because his English communication. That line was very heart touching for me. I was facing this problem also. So I decided to watch video on Impact Foundation YouTube channels. Then I suddenly found Silpa ma'am video. This video was very motivational video. In this video, ma'am said that uh, we have to change our mindset, fixed mindset. We have to develop our growth mindset. What we have done, what we can do. In this video, I realized that what am I doing, what can I do, what can I do for ourselves, what can I do for my family. So I decide to go through the 21 course. But I found this movie uh, around 7 days earlier. I have missed 14 class before 7 classes. So I try to watch it out at YouTube. Today I watched two video classes, first one and second one. Uh,
Very good.
there I come to know about what is fear. There was a phrasal verb. I come to know about 10 phrasal verb, how to use, how to make sentence. And in this course, we are also learning how can we do better, uh, how can we build attitudes, many attitudes. Whenever we get attitudes of learning, we can learn more. If we have don't any attitude, we can't learn. So I learn about how to follow the dreams, how to achieve the success, how can we change our life, how can we learn more skills. That's why this great journey will continue in future. I will do all assignment and in this video we are connected with more friends. Friends daily share their stories, their assignments on Telegram. Telegram, I learn lots of things from my friends. They are very punctual. They are very dedicated. Whenever I find myself, I am nothing this, nothing there. I can't stand their dedication. So I learn many things in this Telegram group. Lastly, I would like to thanks Gampa sir, who motivated me because of their motivation or because of my situation. Because there was pandemic situation since last March. We were not able to go outside for learn the course. We are not able to
Correct.
we are not able to get good knowledge. We are not able to meet meet with our relatives. We are not able to meet our friends. We cannot contact with friends. We cannot able to learn English at face to face. So
Correct.
so online platform was only the one way where we can I improve my English. So I decided to learn from these platforms.
Correct.
This was great learning. I have been very grateful to get this platform, because in future I will improve more, and I will implement in my life whatever skills I have learning here, whatever I can do for society, community, and
Sure, sir.
how to change our mindset.
Sure.
Conclude,
Wow. Excellent.
ma'am.
Excellent, sir.
Ma'am,
One more point. Okay, go
yes, ma'am.
ahead. Finish. Just wind it up. Okay.
Uh, lastly, I would like to close my speech with, if we have dedicated integrity in life,
Mm-hmm.
we can achieve dedicated integrated discipline with three principles. We can achieve our target, our success in life. If somebody are holding our hands for doing our help, then we should respect someone feelings, and we should cooperate, and we should understand their intention, or we should always respect her or them. So thank you very much for giving me opportunity. I was not prepared for telling story right now, but I am whatever have in my mind, I have told without any preparation, without any.
Wow. Wow.
Thank you very much,
Excellent.
ma'am.
Excellent. Look at the impromptu speech you made. Yeah, on the spot. Ashubhashana. Yeah, very good. Excellent.
I
So
I,
happy for you.
I have no book. I have no written story. I was then
I can
I
make out. I can make out. You are nervous. You are not prepared. You don't have a script. You have your fears. You have your hesitation. But you know what? You just let go of all that. 5 minutes you spoke constantly. Yeah. In fluent English. Yes, there will be some hitches. Maybe you are looking for words, but you didn't stop. You continued, knowing that it is going on YouTube live and thousands of people are going to listen to you. You will be an inspiration to all those people who are scared about getting stuck while speaking. So you have set up the stage. You have been a role model to all those. You will be giving that energy and positivity to everybody. Thank you so much, Anil Kumar sir. Where are you from? Which part of India?
I come from Faridabad, North Indian.
Which place in North India?
Faridabad, Delhi NCR.
Faridabad. All right. Wonderful. Wonderful, sir. Thank you so much for being a regular participant. And yes, I can make out that you have been going back to those classes which you have missed, and you are, again taking those classes on YouTube. So Impact Foundation is doing such a wonderful job. Like, people who have missed it, they can always go back and watch and still learn. And you're a part of the Telegram group, so you still have time to submit the assignments. Wonderful, sir. Kudos to you for your impromptu speech. Give him a big round of applause. Well done. We will encourage each other. Thank you so much. So be a part of the Telegram group, because future, when you have to get your certificates, you'll have to submit your assignments. All this will take some time. Okay, so be a part of the Telegram group. and whoever has not yet joined or haven't got their serial numbers, you will get it. Okay, so just be patient and stay there. Thank you, Anil sir. Let's move to Jyoti. Jyoti ma'am, are you there? Raise your hand. Everybody, like whoever wants to speak, raise your hand. Yes, Jyoti ma'am has already raised her hand. Yes, Venu sir, you just have to unmute her.
Thank you,
Yeah,
madam.
she's,
Thank you very much. Happy evening to all.
yes, happy evening.
I'm very happy see you, ma'am. Why? Because every student want to show their improvement in front of the teacher.
Correct.
You are my teacher, so I want also you show my skills.
All right.
In childhood, I feel English is not our language because I can't understanding, so it's not important to me.
Mhm.
But after few years, I feel English language is necessary to me. Has, but how? I don't know English, so I want to improve myself, but I'm not understanding. I in first, I think I don't have that capacity. I think I feel how I learn English, how I improve myself. One day, that time one day, Gampa Nagesha sir declared one great news. Sir conducting spoken English session on 21 days with free of cost. Then I feel very happy. Sir, when sir released Google form, it I feel I submitted within 5 minutes. At last class started. First day of class, I'm so much fear about class, but Shilpa ma'am told very awesome. Ma'am teach not only English, she motivated everyone about speaking English. I follow every day class at 5 p.m. and follow every tip madam told. Those are I'm reading newspapers. I'm picking 5 words from dictionary, making 5 sentences. I'm improving my vocabulary so much. Every day I'm speaking with my family in English.
Wow.
When I'm improving myself, I noticed that yes, myself, my English language skill are improving. So
Wow.
much learn from madam. Paras, phrases, question form, question tags, communications, sentences, parts of speeches, paras, essays, stories, everything I learned so much from madam. I feel energy with positive mantras. They are working like a boost up. Those are my turn in my fear into my power. I'm going to design my life, learning to growing, believe in yourself. I can do it. These are positive mantras motivated every time. Now I'm telling very confidently, I speak in English without fear. I am
Wow.
very happy to join this group.
Excellent. Excellent, Jyoti Garu. Go ahead. I think her net is stuck. Okay, Jyoti was speaking wonderfully, and I think there is some issue with the internet. Are you all able to hear me, friends? Raise your hand
Yes,
if you
ma'am.
can hear me. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. She was making a wonderful presentation. So happy for Jyoti. Forget about the sentence formation. Her vocabulary was awesome, and her confidence level is awesome. So you can see it for yourself. All those people who were struggling to make sentences, you're going on and on like a pro, like a professional. Yeah, in English, and you are super confident. Man, we can do it. It's just child's play, nothing to worry about it, isn't it? So I'm really happy about your progress. Talking about that, you all have stood up for yourself. People have laughed at you, people have made fun of you, people have passed comments that you're not able to speak in English, and you were not able to be successful because of other people's opinions, isn't it? Now you all have stood up for yourself, and that is why you're successful. So that was the motivation, that was the punchline of my Josh talks. So people who want to believe in standing up for yourself, go and watch my Josh Talks. You can just type my name, Shilpa Srinivas, Josh Talks, and you can find it. So it's all about standing up for yourself, which you all have truly done today. You're able to experience that, isn't it? Okay, so we will go on just 1 minute so that we will give more chances to everybody. Okay, so Akash, can you just speak for 1 minute? He's already raised his hand. Akash. Yeah, so Venu sir, if you can unmute him. Okay, Jyoti, well done, well done.
Akash, go
Yes,
ahead.
sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of such a lovely audience. Actually, I like the enthusiasm and the positive energy that each member has in this group. And yesterday I heard many participants like Anita ma'am, Vijay ma'am, and I think Surekha ma'am. And the way they narrated the story was really great, and they narrated in a very beautiful way. And
Yes.
that time I was very nervous. I thought Shilpa ma'am should not take my name because the kind of story I had yesterday, it was really a childish kind of story. It was not much better than a Thirsty Crow story. So I was just thinking that she should not take my name. And actually, I can see that the kind of power and impact you have in your classes, that a person who wrote his first story, not stories, first poem, he was able to deliver that speech in front of 100 people. And that kind of courage only comes with that kind of classes you gave to them in those 21 classes also.
Thank you.
So because it is to speak in front of 100 people, it requires a lot of courage. And yesterday, actually, Srinivas sir also raised a very important point, that is about our education system. And he said that in our the person who comes from vernacular medium, so for them it is very difficult to cope up the challenges which they face in real life. So I would like to add few points here, that it is not only for the vernacular medium students, for a person who comes from English medium students also, they also face challenges when they come to field, because the way English is taught in our school, it should not be taught in that way, because normally their focus is only on the grammar part, and they forget about to teach us about the language. And when we go for an interview, that time we see that the first question the interviewer asks us, that is to tell about something about ourselves. And that time we feel that we have come to some other island, alien island, and they are asking some difficult question too. And sometimes many times I think that I should ask the interviewer that you should ask the question which is in our syllabus. This is out of syllabus question. So forget about this thing. I want to tell you one incident also. Actually, I came across this your classes much later, and I watched your many YouTube videos earlier, and those were really awesome. One day I saw your videos, and at least 3 or 4 videos in a row, and I was so much involved in those videos that I forgot to take lunch. And during that video, you told the participants to bring the notebook, and I forgot that whether I am on online session or I am in YouTube. I ran to another room, I brought the book, and I was showing the video on the notebook in front of video.
Right.
So later I realized that I am not on it is a recorded version. And
that shows your commitment, Akash.
Yes,
well said.
And one
well
more
said.
incident I want to tell, that that happened few days back only. You gave us one topic sentence, and then you asked whether it is affirmative or exclamatory, and then I wrote it is affirmative, but in actual it was exclamatory. And then you said that I will throw a chalk on the people, and I was hiding my face from who wrote this. So it was really hilarious. So actually, at last, what I want to say is that getting a personality like Shilpa ma'am, it's really hard to get this kind of personality in this era. And definitely, when we get to know this kind of person, we should not leave them easily. We should grab all the opportunities, whatever they have. So, and I would request all the participants, because this the workshop which is coming on Sunday, I have also filled the form and sent the details. And I would request all the participants to grab this opportunity with both hands, because this is kind of once in a lifetime kind of opportunity, because you will not get this kind of opportunity more often. And the people who want the transformation in their life, definitely they should go for, because you have already seen improvement in just 21 days. If you continue with person like Shilpa ma'am for 3 months or 6 months or a year. So you can definitely transform yourself. So that is my request. And I think learning is all about making a better version of yourself. So with that, I would like to thank you, Shilpa ma'am and Impact Foundation for giving us such a beautiful platform to learn the things and to enhance our skills. And I think that this is not only about spoken English, this is about public speaking also. And I can see the change in many people because they are able to express their feelings more openly. And English is not all about impressing others, it is about conveying your thoughts to others.
Wow.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Wow, Akash, excellent. I think you should be starting your own classes. Wonderful,
No.
wonderful. Give
No,
a
ma'am.
big round of applause. I think each one of you is very special, very unique. And Akash sir, you have made me
Akash,
feel
please.
very satisfied. See, it's not about I'm really not worried or I feel very uncomfortable when people praise me. I really don't like it. But I can see all those praises are coming from the bottom of your heart. You don't know how to express your gratitude, so you're just trying to put it in words. Thank you is being explained in various ways. I can make that out, but I get scared when someone praises me and I get very uncomfortable. But I'm so happy that it is touching, it is impacting all your minds somewhere. When you tell me that incident where you ran to the next room and got your book, that shows the impact which the video had on your mind, and I'm so happy about it. Well done, Akash. You have been presenting so beautifully, flawlessly, with full confidence and energy and flow. Keep up the good work. I'm sure you'll become a great speaker in the coming days and you will start your own classes. So all the best
Thanks a lot.
for
Thank you
that.
very much.
And let's move on to Sheikh Anjum ma'am. Yeah. So she'll be sharing her story. Just 1 or 2 minutes so that we'll accommodate one more person. Okay? Yeah. She has raised her hand, Venu sir. So please unmute her. Sheikh Anjum, are you able to unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. Unmute. I think you again went on mute. Yes, go ahead.
Thank you, madam. I'm so excited.
Same here. Go ahead.
Good morning, Shilpa Srinivas, madam. Gampa sir, Venugopal sir, and good morning, everyone. Oh, it is not good morning, good evening.
Yeah, now I know that you're excited. All right, it's okay. It's okay.
In my goal achieving path, I joined in the Impact Spoken English course that tremendously helped me to convert my fear into my power. My name is Sheikh Anjum. I am from Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh. I come from a family of 5. I completed SSC in Telugu medium in 2003. With my mathematics or advice, I joined the intermediate in English medium. I completed in intermediate in 2005 in English medium in Montessori Mahila Kalasara. After intermediate, I joined in Urdu course, which was a 3 years course. I completed Urdu Mubaliga course in 2008 in first class. My mom and dad were proud about me because I got first in my Urdu course.
Wow.
I joined in BSc MScs in 2008. I married in 2009 with mom and dad blessings. After marriage, I completed BSc MScs in 2011 in Acharya Nagarjuna University. I gave birth to my first baby in 2011. I stopped my education because I have to take care of my children. I joined as a mathematics teacher in 2015 in Sri SSR school. I worked for 4 years in that school. In 2019, I decided to start my education again. Now I am a student. Now I am pursuing B.Ed in mathematics and in English.
Very good.
When I wrote my first semester of B.Ed exams, I felt afraid because I felt that I started my education after 9 years. My English basics were not good and I was not able to talk fluently in English. All these negative feelings were entered into my mind. So I felt sad, but my principal, Dr. Ghanta Padma Tulsi Madam, motivated me. She told me to convert my negativity into positivity and write exams with full confidence. I wrote my B.Ed first semester exams in February in 2020 with full confidence. We all know we have been in lockdown since March 2020. I believe that when God gives some bad in our life, then He definitely gives another good thing which uplifts us in our life.
Excellent.
In my goal achieving path, I joined in the Impact Spoken English course that tremendously helped me to convert my fear into my power. Thank you, Shilpa Srinivas Madam, to convert my fear into my power. I have been attending spoken English classes in Impact since 21 days. Before joining in this class, I unable to speak fluently, lack of confidence and poor vocabulary. I had to think the words what to say. I'm always afraid people laughed at me if I did mistake while I am speaking. But Shilpa Srinivas Madam taught us every day a positive mantra. Like, I'm not scared to speak in English. This mantra has motivated me to speak in English with confidence. Shilpa Madam's teaching is excellent and innovative approach. I am feeling very confident and applying the tips in my daily routine. I love the training of spoken English. I buy an Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary to improve my vocabulary by her advice. I am reading the newspaper every day. I am practicing in front of the mirror to improve my fluency in English.
Excellent. Excellent, Sheikh Anjum ma'am. I love your practical approach. Wonderful. You are talking like, you know, an English teacher. I don't feel like mathematics से change कर दोगे आप English में. इतने अच्छे से बात कर रहे हो. So proud of you, dear.
Thank you,
You
ma'am.
have done a phenomenal job, and your diction, your fluency, the flow of thoughts, it's just some train sound I can hear behind you, but your train of thoughts is just running like that, you know, running as fast as a train. So
Thank you,
wonderful.
madam.
Well done. Keep up the good work,
I
dear.
wrote one acronym for impact. I stands for improved my communication skills. Impact, improved my communication skills. M stands for motivated. Impact motivated me to achieve my goal. P stands for psychologically thought to increase knowledge and positiveness in our life. A stands for application oriented assignments were conducted. C stands for climb my listening, speaking, reading and writing skills up to professional level. T stands for transform. Transform my fear into my power. Impact Foundation is like a big tree which gives lots of fruits to all the people in this world so that they will achieve their goal easily and live life with peace and happiness. They don't take any money to organize their courses. This is a drawing which I was draw for my Impact family.
Wow, awesome. Expressing through various ways, not only through words, through your art. Excellent, excellent, wonderful.
My moral of the story is learning is growing. Consistent learner will definitely achieve the goal. Thanks for this opportunity. Thanks to Gampa Nageshwar Rao sir to organize this wonderful course. Thanks to Shilpa Srinivas madam to teach us in excellent with full of energy. Thanks to Venugopal sir and Shilpa and Shalini Prasad madam to clarify our doubts. Thank you very much.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. आप इतने speed में बात कर रहे हो. अभी मैं I should pick up on the speed and I should start speaking like you. You have inspired me. Well done, well done. Amazing knowledge, amazing practicality. You are implementing whatever you have learned. Keep up the good work, ma'am. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you very much, madam.
All right. So we are running short of time. Tomorrow, Gampa sir will be there for the closure ceremony. Guruji himself will attend. So we will give chances to more people so that you can speak in front of him. And he should be really happy and pleased about the way you have transformed. So again, anybody can be picked up. Be ready for that and be prepared with a script and all that. Okay, I'm sure you will all do an amazing job. Thank you so much. In fact, Sheikh Anjum ma'am spoke about learning is growing. That is the punchline of my YouTube channel videos. I believe like a day without learning is a day wasted. Of course, the proverb goes, a day without laughter is a day wasted. But I also believe in the mantra that a day without learning anything is a day wasted. It can be as small as anything in any field, but you need to learn. So do not forget to watch my YouTube channels and of course my Josh Talks video, because tomorrow's positive mantra is about stand up for yourself and do not blame anyone for your failure. Do not say he did not support me, she did not support me, my family did not support me, my husband or my wife did not support me, my children, I had to take care of them. Do not blame anybody, because if you had taken that extra step, you would have done it. Okay? No regrets about life. Stand up for yourself. What is tomorrow's positive mantra? Stand up for yourself, stand up for yourself, and do not blame anyone for your failure. Okay? Will you type that? Yeah? So Anil Kumar ji, my positive mantra Guruji is there. 12 a.m. He will wake up, he will write, and he will motivate everybody. So sweet of him and so committed, such a committed soul he is. I appreciate each one of you here. Thank you so much for following the tips. See, the success of a teacher comes from students. If you are not there, if you are not able to grasp what I say, if you're not able to follow, then I couldn't have reached wherever I have reached now. I couldn't have sat here and taught all of you. Thank you so much for trusting me. Thank you so much for Guruji for trusting me and giving these courses. And I hope I have lived up to everybody's expectations. And I continue to do this good work. Thank you so much for supporting me. Once again, whoever wants to register for the communication class workshop, okay, WhatsApp me on 70191 and get ready to change, to transform the way you think about your life. Okay, Samada, don't worry, dear. Don't show me that disappointed face. You will get a chance tomorrow. Okay. All right. So please don't get disappointed. Whoever hasn't got a chance, I will look into each one of your videos. My assignment number 24, I will personally look into all your videos. Okay. And as many as possible, I will select maybe around 10 to 20 videos. I don't want to disappoint anybody, and they will be put in my YouTube channel. Okay, they will be edited and put in my YouTube channel. So tomorrow's positive mantra is clear. Today I will design some special assignment. It will be assignment number 25. Okay, that will be posted in the group. It is a thank you letter to everybody. Write a thank you letter to your family, to your children, to your spouse, to Impact Foundation, to your teachers from your primary school, okay, those teachers whom you remember, to the present day, and to everybody who comes across in your life who has taught you something, who has enhanced your life. Write a thank you letter to all the people in your life, including your family. Okay? Do not be hesitant to thank your own family. Do not be hesitant to thank your parents, to thank your husband, to thank your wife, to thank your children for coming into your life, for making your life so beautiful, and for making you learn so many lessons. Isn't it? You have become a parent only because of them, because they have taught you so many lessons of life. Isn't it? So thank each one of them. Remember, close your eyes. Remember your primary school teacher. Thank them. Okay? If you can remember their names, well and fine. I'm sure those teachers who have made an impact in your life, you will remember their names. Isn't it? So write a thank you letter to all the people whom you want to, who has taught a lesson in your life. That assignment will be posted in the group. Positive mantra is already given to you. So back to you tomorrow. It's going to be the closure day. Don't miss the class. So just spread the word. Let everybody come on Zoom ID tomorrow. Guruji is going to be here for the closure. And thank you once again for supporting me. Venu sir, thank you so much. Over to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Today, a wonderful session we have gone through. Just
Yes.
because of our not able to hear switch on my video.
Yes.
I should be an example for actually for all the students, but unable to.
No
open-
problem, sir. It's a technical glitch. We understand. It's okay.
Yeah. So that I'll. This is what I can see. So thank you so much, ma'am. As you said, we should not blame for anyone to our mistakes.
Yes.
No, we have to rise ourselves. We cannot blame our parents, our friends, or teachers, anybody else. We have to come up with our own strength. We have to stand ourselves. As you said, very wonderful positive mantra to me also. I'm very happy for that. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
And Venu sir, special mention of you. You were showing me your book yesterday when I asked for books. You were very nicely showing your book. I appreciate your spirit. In spite of your busy schedule, you have been a wonderful host, and you have been supporting us very well, and you have been telling about those points in each and every class. So thank you so much, sir, for that.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I unmuted everyone. Please say thanks to Shilpa
Jai
ma'am.
Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Shilpa madam.
Thank you, Shilpa madam.
Thank you, Shilpa madam.
Thank you, Shilpa ma'am.
Jai
Thank you very much, Madam Garu.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shilpa madam. Thank you.
Thanks, Chetan, ma'am.
Jai
Jai
Hind.
Bharat, Jai
Thank
Hind.
you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Shilpa madam. Thank you, Shilpa madam. Jai Bharat. Thank you, Venu sir. Thank you, Venu sir. Thank you, Shilpa madam. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
For example, tell me something about your strengths